recovery and ano lang yung status niya for the next game?
Maganda naman yung progress ng recovery niya. So far na nagte-therapy naman na siya. So hopefully makabalik talaga siya. Kung hindi man sa game sa UST, sa semis.
What came into your mind, Zero, with Angel out na you have to step up for the team?
Well, for me, gagawin ko lang yung best ko, like, as a medal and as an ate inside the court. And yun nga, since nawalan kami ng dalawang players, yun, pinagtsagaan lang namin and we just thought of them na kailangan maganda yung laro para din sa akin.
With Angel, she's my batchmate, so with her out, I feel like I need to step up for her and do justice for her. So personally, I'm playing for the both of us right now. So I always say to her, like, this is also yours.
Coach, about Angel na rin, magandang development kanina. Nag-suspect na siya sa practice after a few games na. So, was there a chance
is the missing link with this league Spikers team? Ano na lang yung kailangan yung pagkunan na pagkukulang to really, kumbaga mas maging konkreto at fully to inform you entering the final four?
Siguro yung buong confidence talaga sa loob ng court. Kasi may mga times na nawawalan ng kumpiyansa lalo na pag nagkakamali. So yun nga, as an ate inside the court, like, kailangan ko lang din i-remind yung mga teammates ko na kaya nila. And yun nga, pag naging buo kami individually, paano pa kaya pag isang team?
And for Shivana, second year, just what can you say about your growth in your journey from your rookie year being scoring boost for the team and now you're a scoring machine in your own right for the Lady Spikers?
I'm just glad that there's progress. I always think to myself that I'm a work in progress. So this isn't my best, and I know I can do so much more. But I'm glad that, like, right now, I'm contributing to the team.
Coach, nung first round, 5-setter kayo sa UST. Ngayon, uncertain pa yung status ni Angel. Ano dapat mag-iba with the Maswini?
Kami naman, sabi nga namin the last time, may mawala, kailangan may mag-step up. Hopefully, kung ano man yung mangyari this coming Saturday, kailangan lang gustuin nila na manalo, and yung mga papracticein namin sa training, yung planning sa laro ng UST, sana magawa.
Alright, congratulations, Coach Joel.